Hi, my name is Nick Schaefer, Director of Career Development at Gwinnett Mercy University. Welcome to the most recent employer meet and greet. Today, we have Amanda.Christians, who is the lead campus recruiter for Fresenius Kidney Care. Welcome, Amanda.
Hi, thank you for having us.
Amanda, can you start out by telling us a little bit about your organization?
Sure. So Fresenius Medical Care is a $17 billion global company. So we're sort of always the big guys that not a lot of people hear or know about, but we are the world's leading renal therapy and dialysis treatment provider. And we have many local ties in the community. We have 70,000 employees in the US alone. We have close to 3,000 outpatient dialysis clinics. And then we also, with the therapy portion, have a lot of kind of vertically integrated into our company. So we make the machines all the way up to treating the patients.
And what are some job opportunities available for students and for graduates?
Yeah, so we have a unique position called a pre-licensed nurse. And what that is you can start after graduation as a nurse grad prior to passing your NCLEX, or some choose to start once they pass their NCLEX. But it's a great opportunity because you're enrolled your first year in a nurse residency program. Lots of extra layering and support from your team and our education nurses. There's some significant bonuses offered to it as well, but it really gives you that nurturing first year sort of community supportive experience.
Great. That leads me into the next question. What do you look for in candidates as far as skills, qualifications, different traits?
Sure, yeah. With Fresenius, it's a very unique kind of niche. Our patients are really our family. We say they're part of the Fresenius family because they can be treated for many, many years. They're coming 3 times a week, 4 hours at a time for treatment. So they really are part of our family. So with that being said, kind of that customer service, restaurant, hospitality is very, very important because those patients, are our family members. You can have a nurse with 20 years of ICU experience or a brand new nurse grad, and it's really the best fit for the environment and for our patients. And then I will also say on resumes, if you feel you have a lighter work history, certainly adding that clinical experience is really, really important because that just shows that you've had lots of exposure and diversity in your schooling.
Great tips. What is the interview process like?
Yeah, so we've been going strong with teams. So we do 1 to 2 virtual video interviews. And when we make it to that final interview, right now, we would welcome you into Job Shadow for 1 to 3 hours. That's part of that final interview experience. And then the last step after we've interviewed you and you've had that exposure, you've seen it in real time, we invite you to what we call like a nurse panel. So you can come and ask us questions after you've had lots of experience and exposure to us. So that's over video. I moderate questions from those candidates and final interview steps, and your managers on there as well as part of the panel. So it's a really good sort of wrap up experience.
So that seems like a great chance for the candidate, for the student to see if they're a good fit there too.
Absolutely. We always want to make sure it's mutually a good fit. Our environment's very unique. We always want you to make sure it's a good fit, just like we are.
How do students find information and how do they go about applying for the jobs?
Yeah, so we have a university relations page. Nick's going to provide my email address, and you are welcome to contact me. We offer this position, the pre-licensed nurse position, throughout the US. So whether you're in the Northeast or you're outside of the Northeast, We are in our third year of offering this. So it's going very well, especially with a lot of virtual learning. Those nurse grads accepting these positions are very appreciative of the extra support during their first year.
Great. You provided a lot of great information, Amanda. Is there anything else you would like to add?
No, I wish those a lot of luck, and you're doing great with the very unique schooling experiences that you've had over the past year and a half.
Great. And for students, for other employer meet and greets and different events such as career fairs and programs, please visit our website at gmercyu.edu/CD and click on events. Thanks again, Amanda, for joining us today. Have a great day.
Thanks for having us.